There was a time when a small village was covered in the darkness of ignorance. People were unaware of the importance of education. The children spent their time herding cattle and working in the fields. In that village, there was a small boy named Zaid. Zaid was very fond of reading and writing, but there was neither a school nor a teacher in the village. Zaid would often sit under a tree and try to write words in the soil with his finger. One day, an elderly religious scholar came to the village. He saw Zaid and noticed the spark of knowledge in his eyes. The elder gathered the villagers and said, "This child is the future of your village. If all of you come together and establish a small school, your children can also move toward the light." At first, people ignored his words, but Zaid's passion and hard work changed everyone's hearts. The villagers together cleaned an old mudroom, spread a mat, and appointed the elder as the teacher. Gradually, children started to come, and the same Zaid who once wrote alone in the soil now began teaching the children. In 10 years, the village had transformed. The village that was once drowned in darkness was now shining with the light of knowledge. Zaid gained an education and achieved the status of a teacher. He did not just change the village, but also spread education in many surrounding areas. He taught that education is not just about memorizing words, but it is a way of thinking, a light that takes a person out of darkness and leads him to his destination.